Hello, everyone. My name is Yoshio, and I'm part of the Saturday&Sunday investment group. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. Why are we doing this? It's right because it's about to break out. As you guys can see, I pulled up the chart right here, and we are at the semi-last level that it needs to break out in order for us to get to all-time high, right? What does that mean? That means that Shiba is about to get to the highest point it's ever gotten to before. And we're really close to it. More than likely, I say it's going to happen today, but if not, probably in less than a month or so. But this is happening, guys. There's a lot of good news that have been coming out for the last 2-3 weeks in regards to this token, and that itself is helping out Shiba, especially with Coinbase, Robinhood potential listing. Those are major catalysts that affect the token itself. And as you guys can see, it's reflecting in the price action right now. So let's talk about potential entries. If you're interested in getting into Shiba Inu, the first thing we need to wait for is to see if Shiba today does that breakout that we're expecting, or we get a pullback. If we do get a pullback, it's going to be a better entry for anyone that's interested in getting into this. Why? Because more than likely, we're going back down to the 2616 level, which is this one right here. And as you guys can see, this was support for the second candle a week ago that we had for Shiba Inu. Now, if we do breakout, the next one is the last one, right? Which is all-time high. And as you guys can see, this is how high we got to the first time. So once we do breakout, there's no telling how high we can get and how well this token is going to perform. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I am showing you guys what I'm currently doing with my group and what we're looking at as of right now. And this is happening right now, 10/23/2021. And it looks like we are probably going to break out today. Again, if you guys are interested on cryptocurrencies, tokens, options, stocks, anything in regards to the financial world, you guys should join the Saturday&Sunday investment group, right? That's all we talk about. So, and again, my name is Josio, and this was a really quick video just to do a recap as into what's going on with Shiba Inu. And thank you for watching, guys.